My name's Stacy Wolf. I am Director of Design for HP Personal Systems Group.
Hi, I'm Kevin Massaro. I manage the Consumer Industrial Design team for notebooks at HP.
Inspiration from a design standpoint starts really with our end users. It's their lifestyles. What they do, how they do it, we pay very close attention to.
What most people don't realize is the amount of work and different avenues we take in developing products.
So we developed MUSE a year ago, and it was our philosophy that we've held to for most of our new designs. As we progress, we needed to emphasize some certain things about MUSE that were more important as time went on. So we're calling it MUSE 2.0. We focused on materials, we focused on texture, we really focused on usability. Experience is utmost in all the designs. Color, we know choice of color became very, very important over the past year, as well as the aspect of being green or eco-friendly.
Materials is actually one of the most exciting pieces that's going on right now. I would probably characterize this as the material age for industrial design. One of the most exciting products that we have is the DV6, which was just launched. And when we started this product, we looked at a lot of different inspirational pieces. One was in architecture, the other was in furniture. And what you'll notice on the product is that we've added a much deeper grain. And then with the color that we created, which we call dark umber, which we think is the new black, this combination of dark umber and the aluminum almost give it a wood-like quality. What you see over here on my right is an example of what we call sketch models. And these sketch models are very, very early prototypes of different notebook computers. And they're very valuable to designers because this allows us to start to block out the different shapes and forms.
So for usability, we focused on some new things like touchpads, things like keyboards, as the keyboard is really the steering wheel to the notebook. We really focused on making sure that it was one of the best keyboards we could produce. This is the curvature of the key, adding the numpad so that we had that component as part of the keyboard. We really wanted to focus that the touch, the feel, the sensation was perfect on that keyboard. One of the things that we focused on for our sensory push this year was really audio. In the new pavilions, the speaker area is actually angled slightly forward. And this was quite key. One of the things that we wanted to do is make sure that we had almost a visualization of audio. We wanted the users to see the audio solution. It's actually now directionally at the user. So the sound is cleaner, it's more pure.
One of the big stories on the G series this year was the inclusion of a much broader color palette. There's definitely a food chain to color. And this food chain starts with the fashion industry. Within that food chain is consumer electronics and PCs. So looking at the top of the food chain with the fashion industry, this is a really good indication of where the trends are going, and was certainly an inspiration of what we did for the G series.
As we have really rethought packaging, one of the things that we focused on was curbside recyclability. And with our new boxes, we have what is really basically an all-paper construction. And so what you're able to do is once you receive your PC, you can take everything that was the packing material and take it to the paper recycling bin, and you're 100% recyclable.
If I had to summarize MUSE in just a couple of sentences, I would call it a mosaic. Because a mosaic is a collection of very finely crafted pieces that when you look at it holistically, it makes a beautiful picture.